In this video, I will show you how to add pictures to Trello cards. So to get started, go ahead and open Trello on your device. So make sure that you're signed in into your account and you're on the board where you want to add a photo. Click on your selected Trello card, and in here you can go ahead and rename this card. So for example, the task is to create a website, so you can incorporate the title into this section and then incorporate the description into this section. So to add the image, you can click on this cover button at the top right of the pop-up, and then from here, as you can see, you can go ahead and upload a new image from your local drive. Simply click on that upload a cover image to be able to upload the photo that you want to incorporate with this specific Trello card. So once you click on that, you'll get redirected into the section. Click on the photo and then click on this open button to open the photo on Trello. Now let's try to re-upload the photo since maybe the connection is just slow, which is why the photo is not uploaded immediately. But if it doesn't upload still, this could be due to the file format of the photo that you're uploading or the file size of the image. Now, if you have uploaded the photo on Trello, you'll be able to find it into that section above the title. So that's basically how you can add pictures to Trello cards.